Pics by Sashi asks, please do a video on eyes adjustments when closed. Sure, buddy. Why not?
Okay, guys, let's go.
So, we have two pictures. One is, let me put this aside. Yeah, in this picture looks good. It is in focus, but the only problem is that his face is not good. His lips part. Okay. In this picture, he is perfect, but she was closing her eyes. This is good for him and this is good for her. So what we do is we take these two together. It's a very simple thing how you can put their eyes and everything. It's a very simple thing. What you have to do is open this in Photoshop. So I have taken the first picture in Photoshop. So his face is not good, and then I come back and I take the second picture. So we just bring down the opacity a little and put it on the eyes. So like I mentioned, we have to first set his eyes. So yeah, I have set his eyes here, and let's go ahead and see her face as well. So what I'm going to do is I am only going to change this person's face. I can do it this side also. If her since her eyes are not good, what I can do is I can adjust her face like this, and I can only erase her face. I can do both ways. So what I'm going to do is take this and take a white mask and take an brush or an eraser and start painting her face. And yeah, so I feel this particular photo is, yeah, now it is perfect. Yeah, so now her face is looking good and both of them are looking good. So let's just check her face and body and everything one more time, because we don't want any other issues, right? Great. So everything is fine. If you see now, this picture is looking good. So what I do is merge these layers and save a copy.